I hit it that time.
Yeah, that was good, baby. Okay, you're on a roll. Go for the one on the right now.
All right, one on the right. See, that's better than paper.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Nice, buddy.
Yeah, dude. All right, you're up.
Okay. Woo!
Nice.
Outstanding, Private. Okay, Troy's turn.
That bottle is gone.
I think you hit that one too, dog. Okay.
Now I hit that one.
You know it when it blows up, don't you?
That's
Hello? Oh, you're running behind? Imagine.
You're hitting it.
Yeah. Oh, well. You gotta get out of bed before 9 o'clock.
You really have to hit it square, I
I
guess.
guess. You gonna move over to the right or?
Well, maybe you can stay home.
No, that was a miss.
Oh, really?
There we
You
go.
go.
There we go.
Yeah.
That was the can behind
Yep,
it.
That was the can, yep.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Alrighty.
Very good. This
Yep.
is for all my friends in Canada.
A little bit low. You hit it. Hi. Still high. High.
Hi.
You're too high. I don't know, dude. I think you shot the crap out of it.
Yeah. Okay, well.
You shot the lid off of it. You got him.
There we go.
Got it.
Should I go back to my pop bottle? Or you think it's toast?
I think we should go look at it.
Okay.
Let's go look at it.
Guns are bad, kids. I'm the only one professional enough here to handle this.
Isn't that what you say right before you shoot yourself in the leg?
Pretty much with the Glock Forte.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I mean, I fucking killed that.
I know. I told you shot the crap out of it. Huh. Well.
Explode. Boom. Oh, yeah.
That
That was the real deal.
Look at it smoldering in the ground. Well, I'm not going to shoot all your Tannerite up there on your Troy son.
You know what I bet that smoking stuff is? I bet it's the stuff that was in the bottle.
Yeah.
Maybe that stuff is wet.
Which one are you going for?
The box.
Okay. Nice. Okay, do it again, Dad.
Yeah, right?
Do the one on the target stand, just like that.
Well, you're still using the target stand.
Oh, yeah, okay. Get the one in front of the target stand and see what happens.
Okay.
Fine.
Love it.
And that could happen.
Yep.
Okay, there's one down to the front of the box.
I see it.
Yep. Very nice.
I'm a little more accurate at this range.
Yeah, funny how that goes.
Yeah.
Let's move him closer. We waited very quietly for the patrol to come into range. We had a good breakfast that day. Bacon, eggs, bellinis, French toast. Our bellies were full. We were about to met out a level of punishment never before seen to mankind. Got this ground covered over here. Our guys are up in the tree line. It's a classic L-shaped ambush. We've placed some 50-pound Tannerite charges underneath the vehicles. We're going to put them in a crossfire. We're going to put a hurting on them. I think I see him coming. I'm out!
Magazine!
Magazine!
Oh, knock the one on the box down.
Oh man. Well, when I go down there, I'll put mine and I'll get it for you.
Okay, thanks. Goodbye, ants.
Aunt Jane.
I've always wanted to blow up ants. Alright, here goes the target one.
Okay, that was good.
Well,
Me gusta.
this is the crater where the Tannerite was on the anthill. And the debris from the target stand, yeah.
That's good.
There's a lot of force on that. Love it! Okay, here's the box.
Okay. Oh yeah.
It's a good look for you, Stu.
Very good look for me.
Nice! I felt that in my chest.
America! Fuck yeah!
Nice. Very nice. Let me give that a shot. Well, I'd like to get away from you.
Yeah, you gotta really... Technically, you really gotta let it kind of free recoil.
Awesome. You do that very well.
Oh, thank you. That's years of training, kids.
Just set the quilt on fire.
Fire extinguisher. He's a good ant.
So this is where the anthill was. I see a couple of straggler ants. That was about a pound of Tannerite.
Looks like about 60mm mortar hit it.
They did not grieve properly when the emperor died. So they got mortared.